Improving your diet can definitely help improve your skin's health. Here are foods known for their skin-nourishing properties. 1. Avocado. Rich in healthy fats and vitamin E, avocados help keep skin moisturized and supple. 2. Fatty fish. Salmon, mackerel, and sardines are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation and keep skin hydrated. 3. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds are packed with omega-3s, antioxidants, and vitamins that promote skin health. 4. Sweet potatoes. Loaded with beta-carotene, sweet potatoes are converted into vitamin A in the body, which helps keep skin soft and smooth. 5. Bell peppers. High in vitamin C, bell peppers aid in collagen production, essential for maintaining skin elasticity. 6. Tomatoes. Rich in lycopene, tomatoes protect skin from sun damage and improve overall skin texture. 7. Spinach. This leafy green is packed with vitamins A, C, and E, which fight off oxidative stress and keep skin youthful. 8. Berries. Strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are rich in antioxidants that combat free radicals, preventing premature aging of the skin. Incorporating these 10 foods into your diet can help to nourish and heal wrinkled and dry skin from the inside out.